Okay, children, the time now is 5:30. The time now is 5:30. All right, so today, as you can see from the tutorial worksheet, I must say something. All right, again, today, most of you did your tutorial worksheet. Good job, children. Good job. All right, people like Zoe, Olivia Ong, Raj, Elena, all right, Phoenicia, all right, all of you did your worksheet. Thank you. All right, there's, of course, a few more names, like Abiu. Candice also did her work. All right, thank you so much for attempting the worksheet. All right, good job. All right, so this is the school holiday. Just now I was trying to tell your classmates that if your school teacher give you some homework to do, can you try to clear within this 2 days? Right, this 2 days means Monday and Tuesday. All right, so that you can at least have Wednesday to Saturday or Sunday for a long break. Can? All right, don't wait until the last minute, children. All right, some of you really are going to enjoy yourself first. Then Saturday, Sunday, then you start to worry about the school homework. Don't do that. All right, finish it earlier. That will be great. Can? All right, so let's move into today's work. Today we are talking about something called the table, the line graph and all this, and also a bit of time. All right, you know the 12 hours clock and the 24 hours clock. It's actually quite a simple topic today. All right, so today's topic is actually quite simple, but 2 weeks ago, I was naughty. All right, 2 weeks ago, I was naughty. I never finished my lesson. All right, 2 weeks ago, I was doing area and perimeter. I didn't finish my lesson. Naughty burn, naughty. All right, so today we will have to continue with the 3 questions first. All right, remember this question? All right, if you don't remember, it's okay also. So let me just go through this, can? All right, so again, this is not from this week's worksheet. This was from worksheet 32. That means 2 weeks ago. All right, so I need to finish up the 3 questions before I can move into today's lesson. All right, and today's lesson, right, in the center, right, we can have a bit of Kahoot. All right, we have time for Kahoot, and our focus today, as I say, will be on time, table, and the line graph. Is that okay? All right, hi Alden, nice to have you. Right, Brian and Vanita, if you can on your video, please on your video. Thank you so much. All right, come children. So down here, right, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter. Perimeter, right, means the outline. All right, perimeter means the outline. What's the meaning of outline? Outline means this. Look at the green color, right? This is my starting. Outline means this. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one and so on. This is called the outline, children. All right, that is called the what? Perimeter. All right. So at least you need to know what is the meaning of perimeter. All right, by today. All right, your school might be doing area and perimeter now. All right, but actually I finished already. So the green color, this is actually called the perimeter. It is the outline. All right, and you go back. Can? That's called the perimeter. And what's the meaning of area? Area. Hey, this area is not the what lah? Area, is it the one? Is it? What's her name? Is it the Little Mermaid? Little Mermaid, she's called Area, is it? Not that area, don't like that, don't be funny, Hiya. Area means the inside, all right? Area means the inside, not that princess, Oh, y'all don't know who is Area? Y'all got watch or not? Those Disney? Okay, it's only me. Oh, only I watch cartoon, okay? I understand. All right, you guys don't watch cartoon, right? I know, okay. Fine. So what's the meaning of area? Area is actually the inside, thank you. Pentagrip told me that it is the inside. All right, so the red color is the inside, the green color is the outside. All right, so you need to know what's the meaning of area versus perimeter. Can? Okay, so children, there is a fast way to find the perimeter for this particular shape. How do you do it? Look. When they say 14, right? When they say from here to here is 14, right? Can you see something, children? Right, down here is 14 meter. Can you see that this 14 is actually made out of what? All right, let me use my highlighter. Oh, I never used my highlighter before, right? Yeah. All right. Can you see that this 14 meter is actually made out of this portion here? Plus this portion here? Plus this portion here? Plus this 14? Plus this portion here? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see not? Can you see that this 14 is actually made out of these few lines together? So you actually try to consolidate them. Right? You try to consolidate them. Okay? And children, what else? Look. This is another, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one is another what? Another what? It's another 14. Can you see not? Can you see not the beauty of mathematics? Right? The beauty of mathematics. So must understand, right? There are some easy way of doing things. All right, from here to here is also 14. Which mean what lah? Which mean what? Check this out, children. Check this out. All right, let's use the another color. Blue color can. All right, let's use the highlighter again. All right, can you see that this portion here? All right, this portion here. Can you see here this portion? All right, maybe I should highlight this way here. All right, this portion here is 14, right? Can you see that this? All right, this blue plus this blue plus this 3. All right, we'll also give you the what? We'll also give you the what? We'll also give you the 14. Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you see that? All right. So the 3 blue are here. 1, 2, 3 will also give you a 14. Is that clear? Okay. So who is not highlighted? Can you see that is this portion here? That's not highlighted. This is a 6. This is a 6. All right. This is another 6. And this is another 6. Okay. Now you follow the color coding. All right. Follow the color coding. That's the reason why I love to do math using different colors. All right. So on top, right, or the purple, I got 14. And down here I got 14. So it's 14 plus 14. Can you see? All right, the top and the bottom. On the left and the right, I got a 14 here and a 14 here. So it's plus 14 plus another 14. Can you see? All right, so the blue and the purple are all covered up, except for the orange color. Down here got 6. 6, 6, 6. How many 6 are there? There are 4 6s. Can you see that? There are 4 6s. And if you do an addition together, can we just split it and use the calculator? All right, you take 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 4 times 6 is a 24. Answer is a what? 80 meter. Do you know that? So this way of doing, right, is actually faster. Faster than you do what? What is the length down here? Oh, down here is 3 meter, is it? Oh my goodness. Then down here is how much? You know? Then you start to go and find every individual length. Then it will take up a lot of time. But when you try to group them together, right, all the purple, can you see not? The top purple is a 14. The bottom purple is a 14. Can you see that? It seems to be a little bit easier. Right, Shafi, I see your answer. Yes, there are 4 6s. 4 6s is 24. You're correct. All right, good job. All children. So can you understand this method or not? Right, instead of finding out every single length, can you do faster a bit or not? Can, right? Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. Yeah, I can see that you are in class.
Yeah.
Can you please on your video if you can? Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, so that's how you find the perimeter. Perimeter means the outside. Can? Now how do you find the inside, the area? All right, so the area, right? This type of question, you need to learn how to chop, chili, chop, chili, chop, chili, chop. Can? Okay, what do I mean by chop, chili, chop? So down here, right, I cut. Ka-choo! Right, down here I can cut. Ka-choo! Down here I can cut. Ka-choo! Okay, so we call this like A, B, C, and D. Can? So we have to find them individually, then we have to add them up. No choice for this, right? There's no easy way out. Can? Okay, come. Let's go and find area of A first. All right, area of A is equal to what? All right, we have 14 times what? All right, that little stroke down here, it means 3 meters. So this is actually 3 meters. So it's 14 times 3. That's area of A. All right, how about area of B? Area of B is this portion here. All right, so down here is like another 3 meter. And this other portion here is how much? Okay, the thing is, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, don't panic, children. Don't panic. All right, don't panic. Okay, so instead, right, instead of cutting it like that, right, if you cannot see, right, you please be a bit flexible. All right, why not we cut it like that? All right, then you will not be afraid already. So again, children, right, there is no standard way of finding, all right? The best way is to be clear and to try to get to the correct answer. Can? So the whole thing is 14. How about from here to here? We know that down here is 3 meter. 14 minus 3 will give me a 11 meter here. So this whole thing is B. This whole thing is B. All right. So B is actually 11 times 3. Can you see that? So you adjusted. So just now I cut vertical. I cut vertical. But I found that I cannot do much. So you adjust. It's okay. All right. And now even better, you know why not? Because these two, right, Are they of the same thing? They are, right? So down here is 6 meter, down here is 3 meter, and there are two of it. All right, so you have to plus C plus D. All right, this is C and this is D. Plus 6 times 3 plus another 6 times 3. All right, and let's play cheat together. All right, let's play cheat for this. Let's press the calculator. 14 times 3 plus 11 times 3 plus 6 times 3 plus 6 times 3. And your answer will give you a 111. All right, the answer will give you a 111. All right, I know that I'm not supposed to press the calculator, right? Because you're in primary 4. All right, primary 4 cannot use the calculator yet. Right, but again, these are questions from 2 weeks ago. Right, so I don't want to spend too much time on it. I just want to show you some of the technique that if you see such question, you'll be able to react accordingly if the school teacher asks. Nico and Brian, can you please turn on your video? Thank you so much. You know the rules. Thank you. All right, so children, understand or not? So the first thing you need to know is what is the meaning of perimeter outside. You need to know the second thing, what is the area inside. All right. So for the perimeter, you try to learn this method of what? Grouping. All right, so you group all the lengths together. All right, then it's easier for you to add them as a whole instead of separating them. Sometimes very hard to see. All right, area, what must you do? Chop, chili, chop. And you chop according to your what? Your convenient. All right, nobody say you always have to chop vertically or horizontally. All right, so you try to adjust accordingly to what is convenient for you. That's very important. Oh, all right. So there's no standard method. Don't worry about it. Okay. So this was question 8 from 2 weeks ago. Let's go into question 9 and question 10. Okay. Some of the school already done area and perimeter. That's good. That's good. All right. So today's the main lesson is actually on time and also on the table and the line graph. All right. So later we'll go through that. This is from 2 weeks ago. Don't worry about it. Okay, come. Find the area of the following figure. Again, this type of question. Children, what you do? This type of question, you must learn to what? Cut and paste. Right? Must learn to cut and paste. Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Okay, so what do? The question is asking you to find the area of this whole thing. Can you see? Yeah, but it's very hard. How do you find the area of this part down here? It's almost impossible. How do you find the area of this part down here? It's almost impossible. So how? Children? Learn to cut and paste. All right. So you have to look for the shape. Look for the shape in order to cut and paste. For example, can you see this shape down here? Can you see this blue color? All right. Can you see this blue color down here? All right. I know it's a bit hard to see. Maybe my choice of color is not very good. Can you see this blue color down here? So I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to cut and paste where? Can you see that I can paste below here? Can you see that it looks the same size? And it's not because it looks, children. Look, down here, right, got how many squares? 2. And down here got 2, correct. Can you see? Down here got 1, 2, 3. And down here got 1, 2, 3. It's exactly correct. All right, so you have to use your eye power sometime to cut this one and paste it down here. All right. Okay, what next? If I can cut and paste like that, right, can you see that if I can cut down here also can? Down here, this orange color portion. All right, I can cut this portion and I do what? And I paste where? And I paste on top here. Can you see? Can or not? Does it make sense? Down here got 1, 2. 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 Correct. It fits so nicely. My goodness. Right? So this one will be paste. Oops. This one will be paste over here. Now, what do you see? What do you see? Do you see that you only have area for this portion here, the green color portion? Right, you only have area for this portion. No? Nice, right? Yeah, so all you got to do is to find the area of the green. Can? Okay, so according to the question, right? According to the question, they say that down here, one box is actually 1 cm by 1 cm. All right, so the area of one box, area of one of this box is actually 1 by 1 is equal to 1 cm squared. How many boxes do I count? All right, how many boxes do I have? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 times the 1, and that will give you an answer of 15